Hey, it's Bill at Immaculate Paint Protection. I'm standing in front of our interior cleaning kit. These are all the products, all the tools that we use in our shop to professionally clean our clients' cars. We have a solution for cleaning the glass cleaner, microfiber towels for glass. We have chemical and towels for cleaning the leather or vinyl or leatherette. Then we have a solution for cleaning the plastic, vinyl, and dedicated towels. And then we have a tool to help when you vacuum out. One thing you need to bring to this kit is bring your own vacuum. We got a tool here to help making vacuum so much easier. This is gonna help pick up the pet hair, pick up any other debris, nice crevice tool to get in between the nooks and crannies. Hey, we're standing here in front of our wheel and tire kit. So we're gonna show you the best ways to maintain, wash, get your wheels and tires all cleaned up. So what we got here, first thing you got is, we had a nice dolly, rolling dolly, 5-gallon bucket. You got a gamma lid, so when you're all done, everything's cleaned up, you can seal it up. Important here, we got a grit guard with the washboard. And then the tools we're gonna use. So this is to get inside the barrels. Super nice Boar's hairbrush. You're not gonna mar or damage up your expensive rims. So this will clean your rim faces. You get up and get the fender wells. We got a fender well brush here. Clean the lug nuts, right? How many people clean their lug nuts? Well, you will. Brush for the tires. So dedicated black set of microfiber towels are always gonna look fresh because they're black. Wash them, but only use them on the wheels and tires, maybe use them on the door jambs. That's the areas that are gonna have the most debris. We'll give you Gian wheel cleaner. Gian tire cleaner is gonna really take down, it's gonna make cleaning the tires super easy. And after that's all done, we'll come back, hit it with Gian Q2 tire. Tire's gonna look just great. I'm standing in front of the advanced wash kit. So everything we got here is what you need to use to wash the exterior of your car. So we have a 2-bucket method, obviously. Red bucket for the clean rinse water. Both buckets sit on the grit guard dollies with the 3-inch casters, so the 3-inch casters make it easier to roll around. Nice thing here is these are 6-gallon buckets, so you can fill it to 5 gallons, so when you're dunking the water in, you're not gonna splash the water all over the place. 2 grit guards, 1 grit guard with the washboard so they can rub your wash mitt against it. Speaking of wash mitts, we got 2 wash mitts in the kit here, nice big wash mitts. The reason we got 2, in case you drop one during the wash, happens from time to time, don't touch the car with a wash mitt if you drop it. That's the pro tip of the day here. Then we have a cuffed wash mitt that we're gonna use for the rocker panels, door jambs. You're gonna do this in, that's the area that's gonna have more grit, more grime. The grit, the grime is what's gonna swirl the car up. So you wanna minimize that. So again, 2-bucket method wash. Washboard is gonna help minimize swirls and scratches on the vehicle. Gian silk jar, we got 2. Again, we got 2 in case you drop one, stop, put it off the side. Also have 2 if you got a big truck SUV, you're probably gonna use both of these to dry off the vehicle. What are we using to actually wash the vehicle? So we have a Gian foam. It's a pre-soak. Go in there, it's gonna bust up all the dirt. Apply with the foam cannon or mix it up in the sprayer. Gian iron, do this once, maybe twice a year if you're in an area with a lot of industrial fallout in it. It's gonna dissolve the iron. That's one of the pro secrets to making the car look great. Gian bug, so spring, summertime, bugs are out there. Spray this on there, get the bugs off. Don't let the bugs sit in the car all summer, that's gonna be bad. Gian tar, well, it dissolves the tar from the road. So road construction season, asphalt trucks are out, get the tar off the vehicle the safe way. After the car is washed up, the secret to winning, to having the best looking car around, a Gian wet coat here. So it's gonna give you those hydrophobic properties. So what that means, nice big water beads. So Gian wet coat, one of our pro secrets we'd like to share with you here. In between washes, ceramic detail spray is great to use. And then from time to time, if you have a ceramic coated car or another car, Gian water spot, take the water spots away on that. For in-depth pro tips, techniques, how this kit's being used, check us out at ImmaculatePaintProtection.com. We got thorough videos on there. We're gonna share our engineered process. We're gonna show you the tips. We're gonna share our secrets. And we're gonna get you set up on how to use these wash kits. Thanks so much. It's Bill at Immaculate Paint Protection.